first girl came into light, born in silence, born so blind, in a cottage sweet and kind. She grew up with a ragged doll and loving arms that held her all. Birds would sing, the sky would glow, peace would fill her soul below. Her parents wrapped her life in dreams. They told her she was born a queen in a palace shining bright, full of love and golden light. They prayed for her with every tear, with hope and faith to cast out fear. They never gave in to despair. At last she saw the world out there. Her eyes lit up a world so wide, colors bursting deep inside. And in her parents' gaze she found a healing touch so pure, profound. She met the truth in silent grace, the humble home, the honest place. But in her soul she quickly knew that love and truth are pure and true. And crying she would always say, joy is love that lights the way. The heart and soul are worth far more than all the gold this life can store.